World premiere Farmac chainsaw competes with the big brands. This is a 25cc entry saw. It has a compact design. It's lighter weight. Farmac F2511 chainsaw just hit the market. This lightweight entry saw is very powerful. It's comfortable. It has ergonomical design on the handle. You have the chain stop feature as well. You also have the safety for the trigger here. It does have a primer bubble, easy access spark plug, loop connection, high-low adjustment for the carburetor here. You can get replacement bars and chains at any hardware store that sells bars and chains. You have the teeth here, and I bet a lot of you old tree guys don't even know. You can use a pull handle to easily loosen the gas cap and the oil cap. I'm loving this chainsaw. It cuts extremely well. We're real limited on the quantity since this is so new. Click on that shopping cart at the bottom of the screen to see today's sale price.